Hi guys, welcome to Yogi's Trading Lounge. As I promised in previous video, I am back with another video with my trading performance. I would like to say that this is only for educational purposes. So last 2 weeks were pretty good for me. I managed to gain more than $900. So just wanted to go through the trades with you guys and show you the strategy that I'm using as well as the logic that I use to take these particular trades. So first we'll go to my trading account here where you can see various reports and we'll see the realized summary which gives realized and unrealized profit and loss. So I'm selecting the date range here which is from 24th till the to date is 4th. So this by default doesn't give performance for Friday. We'll see that afterwards. And because today is Friday, it gives performance only till yesterday. So let's view it in the browser. Now I will scroll to this realized and unrealized performance summary. You can see here it's futures, total futures, and this is total options on futures. So what is the realized value? So in futures I realized a profit of 487 Canadian dollars, and on options there was a loss of 29. Plus I have some forex positions, negligible forex positions. So total profit realized is $478.56, right? And unrealized is here. So this is as on Thursday. We have to remember that it doesn't count Friday's profit and loss. So unrealized is 882, and the options have a loss of 255. So unrealized was 627, realized is 478. So it's little bit more than $1,000 here. But from what I realized today, this is my realized profit today. This is on 3rd of July, so this has already been factored in the reporting that we saw, but this is not factored in. So we'll just add it, and that gives me the total realized. So I'd like to show you here what is the total realized profit. So we go here, this is 487 minus 29. I'm just counting futures and options on futures. I'm not considering forex. Okay, so let's say 487 and 29 minus 29. How much is it? 458. Now we need to add 458 is Canadian dollars, and we need to add today's realized profit. So this is the currency is USD. This is 776 minus 456, right? Which is around 320. So I'll just take that into consideration. 776 minus 456. This is 320. I'm multiplying by 1.36 to convert USD to Canadian dollars. So this is 435 plus this is 487 minus 29. So you have 487 minus 29. So around $900 is the profit that I realized. And now we will see what is the return on utilized capital. So divide by 5300. So it's a cool 17% return on capital, return on utilized capital. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Just to go through the trades, what prompted me to take these trades. So if you have seen my previous video, I follow super trend indicator. So this is a daily chart of S&P 500 futures, and I follow the direction given by super trend 10-2, which is a built-in indicator from TradingView. So the super trend gave a buy signal on 3rd of May. So I've been bullish from 3rd of May itself. So this week what happened is market took off for 3 consecutive days, and the reason the breakout was good is because it was consolidating for a long time around this level. So this is in futures it's 5560, but if you see the chart of S&P 500 index, it's more clear. So this is the chart of S&P 500 daily chart, and you can clearly see the breakout level is 5500. So the market was consolidating for a long time around 5500, and then it gave a breakout. So it's kind of like a flag formation, a bullish flag. If you see on a weekly chart, it would probably show you a bullish flag here, and then it suddenly broke out. So it's not uh, very obvious, but yes, like uh, we see a lot of consolidation here, and then there was a range breakout, and that's why it's a pretty strong breakout, because the market was consolidating within that particular range for a long time. So with regards to the trades, so we'll go back to the futures chart here. So what I am doing is I'm just taking a long on future. uh, you can trade either ES or MES. I trade MES because the lot size is 5 for MES. For ES it's 50, so it's a instrument that has more notional value, right? It depends on what capital you are utilizing for trading. For me, MES suits better. So I'm, if there is a long trade, I buy future and I sell an ATM call option. And if I am short, like this, if the super trend is indicating short signal, then I am short future and short ATM put option. So that is the trade that I'm taking. uh, this is the trade which was not in the reports which we just saw. So if you see here, what I did is I realized profit in future here, and I also simultaneously realized a loss in the call option, because my position is constructed in such a way that a future is hedged with option. So you see the average price here for today's trade, this position was initiated today, is 5623 for future, MES future, and the nearest call was around 5620 that was trading actively in the market. So I sold this particular call. So I exit the trade when the profit in the future option combination is equal to 50 to 70% of the premium received upon initiating the trade. So for example, if you see here, the premium of option is 827. So if the profit in this particular trade is equal to 413 or 414, then I would probably exit this trade. It doesn't have to be exactly 413, maybe plus minus a little bit is okay, but not less than 50%, and about 70% is fine. So that's what I do. And you can see here I have a stop loss at around 5500. Now it's quite clear that this is the consolidation level, this is the level which is a big support, so that's also acting as my stop loss. It's super trend is actually today it went above 5500. So yeah, you can use the super trend for stop loss as well. But I'm pretty happy with this performance, because as we just saw, it's around 17% return. In terms of liquidity, my liquidity is around $14,600 now, but it I started with 12,500. But it's part and parcel of the game. Sometimes you have losses, sometimes you have profits, so it keeps on fluctuating. But yeah, that's the performance I wanted to share with you guys. Maybe you can also try this particular strategy, like pairing a future with ATM call or ATM put as a hedge. And yeah, let me know what you think about it. And if you practice a lot, maybe you can make good money as well. Hope you gained some useful insights from this video and found it interesting. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel, and see you all in another video. Thank you.